right, so how fast are you looking to go today?
As fast as you'll let me and as fast as the track allows.
All right, foot on the brake, squeeze here, pull down into drive, and just hold right here for a second. So Justin, I'll be telling you go and brake. You're talking the whole time. Try to be nice and smooth on the steering, smooth on the pedals. Give you plenty of chances to really hit the gas.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You like where your knees aren't in the way of anything? You feel good?
Everything's good. Yeah.
Good. All right. I might have my hand by the wheel for passing.
Okay.
You just keep driving, but I'm just helping you out. Ever you see a cone on the track, get over on that side of the track. The cones are your friends.
And 3 feet off either side?
Yeah, just no closer than 3 feet, exactly.
Okay. So from the outside, these cars are big, but the inside is just...
It's kind of tight, isn't it? Yeah, yeah. Very fun, lots of power. Great cars.
One of the very few times in life where being under 6 foot is a good course.
So it's going to be gas, lift off the gas, brake. If I say brake harder, more brake. Maybe more. He's playing with his squirt gun. Not a bad idea on a hot day.
Only way to stay
So turn left and gentle gas. Pull right up behind the like flashes up there. Beautiful. I'm going to wait here for just a minute. Go ahead and get up right closer to him because this is a tight pit lane and we need all the space we can get. So keep going, a little bit more, a little bit more. Keep going, keep going. That's great right there. Boom.
We only have a couple more to go. Just remember, when you struggle to see if you're empty or not, just put your hand down.
Okay, you bet. Yeah, this car is awesome.
comfortable.
Got your name already, sorry.
Justin.
Justin, I was just, yeah, okay, good. I was going to guess that, but I didn't want to ruin it. All right, John. I meet so many people on one day.
For sure. Must be a great job.
It's fun. It's a lot of fun. Yeah.
You go all across the country with them?
I do. Yeah, about 2 weekends a month.
Nice.
That's as many as my wife will let me do.
Sounds
She wants me home sometimes.
Oh, for sure.
So we're going to follow him right on the track. He's making an announcement, and then he'll move forward. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is Justin. He's driving the Nissan GTR. We're at the Motor Enclave of Tampa with Xtreme Xperience. Nobody's coming, the track's all ours. So stay right behind them. We're going to gradually, stay back here on my side. We're going to gradually go across. Yeah, that's it. And you can start to add some gas. Beautiful. He'll gradually speed up. We'll come down there, we'll try the brakes a little bit. Lift off the gas and brake. Push the brake down. More. Get on it really hard. Press it. Test it. Good. That's what I want. I want you to get a feel for the brakes. Okay. Right? So that's what you'll need at the end of the straightaway is a lot of braking. We don't stop on it, but just push harder and harder. Now back to medium gas. Medium gas. Keep going. Just a tap on the brakes. Come right up to the orange. Wait for it. Wait for it. Stay at the orange. And then go to the green. It really helps if you go right up to that orange cone. That's the best racing line. My side, good, right next to the red cones. Just a tap on the brake. Come right up to the orange, wait for it, and then turn. Nice. Excellent. Squeeze on some gas, go ahead. Beautiful. Doing great, Justin, this is awesome. Brake a little, right up to the orange, and turn to the green. Yeah. Squeeze on until you get to the red. Brake. Gentle gas as you turn. Nice. Good, you can squeeze on some gas, go ahead. Yeah. Then brake a little, turn to my side, to the green. Nice. And brake again. Gentle gas as you turn. And Justin, I got a guy coming here, we're going to let him pass us, so stay to your side and off the gas. Just give me a little break, just for a second. We want this whole straightaway too, so we're going to brake a little bit. Now you go, big gas. all the gas you want. Yes. Yes. Oh, beautiful. Wonderful. Yeah. Good. Great. Yeah, brake some more. Push it down. Yeah, good. Now off the brakes to turn. And then brake again. How do the brakes feel?
Good.
You're doing great with them. That's fantastic. Very nice. Gentle gas as you come around. Out to the orange. Over to the green. Nice. And then squeeze on some gas. Go ahead. All the way to the 2 yellows. Yes. Beautiful. Lift. Brake. Keep braking. And then gentle gas. Good. Add a little bit of gas here. Go ahead until we get up to the reds. And now brake. From the orange. Gentle gas to the green. Good. Nice job of staying close to the orange cones. That's really good. You're at least 3 feet away, and that's good, but you're right on the side of the track you need to be. Right up to the orange. Turn to the green. Nice. Yeah, good line through there. Add some gas all the way to the reds. And then brake. Right up to the orange again. Good. You got the line figured out. I love it. Yeah, add some gas. And now brake. Really gentle gas, but a big turn. Gentle gas, big turn. Yes, good. And squeeze on the gas. Go ahead. Nice job through there. Brake. Easy gas for the turn. Brake. Gentle gas. All right, Justin, take a big deep breath. Breathe deep. We're going to make the turn. And you can go. Yes. Yes. Yeah, keep braking. Nice. Off the brakes and turn. And brake again. And now we're going to start lap 3. Make the turn nice and gentle. Beautiful. Out to my side, to the orange. And then gradually your side to the green. We're on lap 3. Go ahead and squeeze on some gas. Yes. Nice. Good. Brake. Keep braking. Beautiful. Gentle gas. Nice job on the brakes. That was good. Right up to the reds. Brake. And from the orange, gentle gas to the green. Good. Yeah. Very nice. My side here. Brake a little. Then gentle gas. Excellent. Right up here to the reds. Brake. Right up to the orange and then to the green. Yeah, that's the line. That's it. Exactly. Yep, that's good. To the red. Then brake. A gentle gas, but a big turn. Yeah. And add some gas. Good. Easy gas here. Brake again. Tightest turn on the course, so gentle gas. All right, Justin, take another big deep breath. From the orange to the green. And one last time, go. Yes. Yes. Great. Oh my God. Now off the brakes and turn. And brake again. We're going straight in here. Blue cones. Right straight in, all the way in. Justin, nice driving, man. Boom.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Nice and slow now. This is a really tight corner here. Good. What'd you think of the car?
Oh, it's amazing.
Yeah.
It's direct. It puts you in the seat and it just moves.
Yeah, that's it.
It's a fun dog.
It's Godzilla. Pull your mask down. We'll get a picture of your whole face. And pull up right where he stopped there. Beautiful.